Wagwan people, welcome back to Sunday and Bones Steve. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more. The lady here have something to say about Dewey, Queenie, Evette, Amari, Momo and the whole of them. But most of all she depend Dewey cases, you me? And she not run for robot Amari. And also remember you can go over to Tani Tani channel, whatever goes international, and subscribe to her. The link will be in the description below. So if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on that little bell at the side so you'll get notified whenever we upload. Let's get into it.
So, because this is whatever goes international, and sharing is caring. That's what me believe in as strongly. So I'm not gonna take up too much time panel like one thing. You see it. Amari, you start cook. Amari, you sit down around at your house. I'm gonna keep it respectful. I'm not gonna dog. I'm not gonna cut out the dogging. But Amari, in the decent way, you sit in your house and you really put on time limit on Queenie life. That's not okay, honey. Honey, you see when you sit down in your household with all of your picnic them, and you put on how much days people have to live, make sure say you dig a hole for yourself. Because if you dig a hole for Queenie, make sure say you dig a hole for yourself, Amari. Because you can't do bad pan one people, it will come back pan you. Karma is a bitch, you know, my girl. Karma is a bitch. You see how you look? You look a mess and you look like drunk or drop bricks in your face. So your face shaky. Amari, how old you is? Me at 50 and me know me look good, no blood clot. You can't look nothing like me. Yeah? So me want to know if all your life you just sit down on social media and give people limited days to live. Yes, this is how wicked you are. You're so desperate. You're so desperate. So desperate for just want to come up here and put a time limit on people's life. This is how disrespectful you are. And this is where we need to rub you out from out here. Amari, me tired I tell you. You're afraid of me like pussy, you know, all ugly woman. You're afraid of me like puss. That's why you're nah answer. All me I rub you in your face, I rub you behind your back, I rub your left, right, and center. You just now mash up. I may tell the truth, Amari, you not have no fame or no clout when me want. You ain't got nothing, cause you're not bad like me. Amari, you're not bad like me, in a music, in a DJing, in a singing, in a rapping, me do me thing and you're not bad like me. You understand me? I have two sons we are big time musician. Sing them right for themselves. Them they upon YouTube. Amari, you're not in a music like me. Music of my life, me have a complete studio and a complete sound in my house. Me don't even use it much. You understand me? So, me don't know where you're depend on what kind of fame you look. My girl, your skin need to be toned. Me see you in a one little ugly body rider shot so it look like you take it out of the trash. Your body not look good. You just me say, Amari, go through it, have a right for tell you so she go send you some insure. Me go send you some boots and Lasco. Because you really need to gain back the weight. I'm just a keep it respectful because I want to get rich off of you how. Me I keep it respectful. Me not go dog nobody. Me not go disrespect no girl, no woman out here. Amari, me need you to take care of yourself big and serious. Or you give me a showdown. Just come on me live. Me there right here, so Tani, whatever goes international on YouTube. I'm here, Amari. Come up here and dog me. I'm right here telling you that you're a sickening whole head. You need to go in your kitchen and learn to cook some food so you can gain some weight. From morning light to sundown, you're up here, you disrespect Queenie, you disrespect Dewey, you disrespect a whole ton of people, and you're not looking at yourself and in your life. Oh, you spread your bed from morning. Do you take a shower? Did you take your medication? Did you go exercise? Did you find all of your picnic them all over the world and talk to them before you come up here and start disrespect people? You're too wicked, man, and boring and sickening. I mean, I see where people are hype you up for because you don't look good. You don't look good. Argue with me. Tani, whatever goes international. Yeah. Amari, you look like Drunker drop breaks all over you. You look like shit and shoes heel, Amari. You gotta chill the fuck out and leave people and their life alone, man. So when me hear Queenie, I got you shit with Dewey, me can't. Mr. Dewey. Mr. Dewey. Mildew. It's your time to get rubbed out. You know what say? All along, me I watch you for who you really is, Dewey. Me not care if Queenie love you tell she fool. Only she love you tell she fool. Nobody else no love you tell you fool. And nobody else no want you because you is Queenie property. Me no know how long you go stay there so far, but just know this, say karma is a bitch. You hear? And karma come back around to stick your ass when it's your time. Dewey, ain't shit you ain't got. Nothing. You meet, me don't know how Queenie meet you. But with the journey with you and Queenie, it's for a long time now, a few years. And she ride with you. And she guide you in her music. And help you build a platform. She ended up that she even married to you. And I try to get you your residency in Europe. That's a good move. You can know say she really like you and love you because any woman gay want to go to that distance they figure man residency in Europe. It's not easy to get residency in England. And she do all of that. She do all of that to help you through your way. And when the relationship gets sticky and things get tough, what you do? You beat up, left her on her own, abandon her, and then you run with one next girl. You even reach out England and a whore out England, baby. You fat girl, some fat, nothing against the huge community, but the woman them where you normally pick up is like worse than your wife. That ain't cool. You're just bringing down disrespect upon the woman. You make the whole world a laugh off of her. You make the whole world a criticize her and a discriminate her. It's all because of you, Dewey, aka Mildew. It's all because of you. You make the whole social media turn against Queenie. You dog her with some low self-esteem girl. Where all them want is a clout. Look all pan no over there so. You know see a delivery no do because she refused to go work a regular 9 to 5. So because she want idle life, she sit down on social media and discriminate people life who are live better than her. She rather go do delivery woman. She ain't got shit. She ain't got shit. But she do a workless life work she do. Because she just sit on her ass all day and deliver people shit. Me can't do that. I don't want nobody in my car. I work too hard for it. I don't carry nothing for nobody. I deliver shit to no one. Me can't deal with that. So those are the type of woman. You know, she said she owe how much $1,000 what her taxes. That girl not owe taxes. That girl pay their tax every year. So that means say because things so bad with her, every little money we deposit in her account, she have to use it. So no tax, she not claims tax out of the delivery money. That goes straight to her pocket. And then she have to clear it at the end of the years. Now I get that thing more than pay back. She just a work on her pay back. Every year the taxes go up and instead of the old taxes. Yeah. So that a workless girl. Not life. So I don't know how you do it. I go sit down out here in the real world and have people discriminate your wife because you choose to dog her. Everything where Queenie I go through, you cause it. Everything. Every disrespect, every dogging. Nobody act like say you swing out of the dogging. Cause you cause everything for happen to the woman. You wicked boy, Dewey. You dog her, you disrespect her. You can fly out, got blood clot. Canada and Jamaica, you have other woman around you. Like, you puppy show out the woman. Like, them something they are really puppy show. Then the woman must get sick in the hospital. Me no care where you want to see and where you clout you look and they. You know nobody can give you no clout but Queenie. And that's why you come back and you love likes. And because you love likes, you have to come back with likes they do it. Nah, dog, you know. But you look like a LiQWYD boo. And I little LiQWYD. A boy will love people things. Especially woman things. Me nah broke no boy bad. Me nah give nobody nothing. Because me nah have nothing to give nobody. Me take care of me. I pity them grown. No need to take care of nobody else. But me. Me have a granddaughter in New York. Me not too much family. Our family side not too much in me. I mean not too much in them. So me keep the link like that. When I'm ready to talk to my granddaughter, she will call me and me call her. And me tell her say whatever she wants. Send me text and me get them ship go give her. Yes. Me other than that, me not have nobody for mine. I mean I mind nobody's son. I mean I seen which way somehow on a week woman for out here start take care of people boy pitney. When if you make them go look them own money. In my country, Jamaica, when I was young, a man take care of them family. I don't know if no woman take care of no man right now. Me old school, me still remember the old school days when a man would go out, go look everything for the family. And mother still man take care of the picnic. When an old woman out here, senior citizens were desperate for cock. Need to stop. Mind them little young boy. Yeah. Stop, get up and pick up these little young man and I take care of them. Make them feel like say everybody have to do the same thing. Coming out do it. So nobody come look me. This are the only auntie you not get nothing from. Me not believe in that. Me not buy you no PlayStation. I mean, not buy no game cartridges. I mean, now go on Amazon go buy no game card for you play your PS5. My pitney them alone, my son alone, me buy game for me. I buy game for him again. Him do that himself. Yeah, all of them grown. The only somebody when me buy computer and gadget for me 3 pitney them. I buy some the other day go give them. Nobody else now get no gaming system. The baby we are 26. Him say, Mommy, me want a PS5. I got Jamaica Christmas Day. I fly down, I carry PS5. I carry laptop for the 35-year-old. And I carry tablet for the 20-year-old. Yes. And them they get my gadgets money. You know, give the boy my things. The boy can't stretch no on ya. So my man them say me mean. Yes. Of course me mean. I mean, because never invest in me. I mean, invest in myself. So if that invest in me, would have kind too, no, but nobody not invest in me. I mean, now get a boy mind see them and for them won't go invest in other people. No, I not play that their ass them love. So my own way out here we are hold them like a young boy and I mind them no need to stop. Like the lady in the bed. I don't know who she. The lady in the bed seems to look like a girl we love mind man. Everything she dog out Queenie and forget say I do it cause the situation. And I say she not blame Dewey because Dewey for name around. So it come down to Dewey. You make people disrespect your wife and you need to just humble yourself and respect yourself and your wife so people not have to disrespect her and rub her out here. And you are the cause of it if you never walk around in a Jamaica, England and Canada with your good khaki. Nobody would do a dark Queenie. But you look like you have some good hood. So because you have good hood, you walk around and a litter the place with your good hood. Make the woman feel small. Look how much things she do for you. Look how much things she do for you, the one. Look how much things she do for you. And yet still it no matter how much shit she do for you, people still dog or say, she have yammed, yam farm, rent and dashing and cocoa head farm. It bad. Look up on six stomach Amari, or you make six stomach Amari dog your wife. Amari look like she a normal person. All them there crow bait, shit pan shoe zeal, waistcoat, jacket. Across your wife. Who they to? Look on the character low and dirty because of you do it. Do you walk with your cock pan in a wheelbarrow, a push round, a big front. Because if you love your wife and you care for your wife, you're not going to disrespect her. Nobody can stop man from cheating. When they marry them, still a go grind. But it's not what you do, it's how you do your thing. You must learn how to find woman that can invest in your life. Then find workless girl where you look for take out of your life and bring you back where you come from. If you go cheat on Queenie, let me give you a heads up on some pointers. Dewey, if you can't be with your wife alone and you have to cheat on Queenie, find you a woman that is more advanced, educated, have more money than Queenie for cheat on her. That's how me know it go. You can't just cheat and cheat with the people that are worse than the woman who no have. That no look good. That's sickening. I feel like you don't need to cheat with people better than the following situation one in. Especially cheat with woman that have things. Not cheat with a woman where lower class than your woman where you're there with. Cheat with woman where have more than where your wife where you have. You understand what I'm saying? That made me put it in a farm make you can understand. Stop giving your hood to broke bitches. You get it now, Dewey? Stop give away your good hood to broke girls that cannot help you. They cannot bring nothing to the table. They cannot put nothing in your plate. All they want to do is rip what your wife is building. Your woman say she an artist. You say she an artist. The two of you come from a couple years ago. We do no music together. The two of you need to sign alliances against one another on a boss and be big entertainer. But these times people just too flighty and everything them run and find other girl and disrespect. I saw the world around these days. Nobody now have time for chill one place. Everybody just want pass around them front and them cock all over the globe. Cause no claim say the more front you no get, the more name brand you no become. I don't know of that. Because I really deal with man who walk around with them hood pan wheelbarrow push around the community or what you call them? What you call them now? Community delivery service. Let me put it that way there. I don't deal with no community delivery service. Because I don't have time for nobody to pass around the circle, them little dirty thing to me. I don't want no germs and no bacteria in my front, so I lock down mine. But because Queenie there with a younger man, and only a younger man can turn up Queenie life, Queenie have to decide how to take care and control that younger man. She don't want no older man. She want a young man. So when you have a younger man than you, auntie, this is how you got you. This is Tanya, your life and direct and whatever goes international. Talking about Dewey. Ungrateful and ungrateful long time. I saw some of the Jamaican man stay ungrateful. Remember where I come from. Remember the woman we ride for uno. Remember the people them will stand by uno. Some of the Jamaican man. Jamaican woman are the same thing to me. I put nothing past them, but me I talk about doing now. Me not talk about no other body. I doing me I talk about AKA Duan. Mildew. Yes. You have to treat the woman better so people can stop disrespect Queenie. Queenie say Queenie love you till she fool. Queenie love you till she fool. So Me not see in which way you're gonna make the world turn against Queenie when Queenie love you so much. You need to stop come a road and bring judgment, come attack the woman.